I'm Rod McClintock. Question: why can Mobil Grease be so long-lasting? Because like Dennis's stomach here, it is incredibly structurally stable. But what do those words actually mean?
You're saying I could lose a few pounds?
No, structurally stable. Well, firstly, it means the grease components have to be tough.
997, 998.
Are you going to quit, you little components of grease, you?
Sir, no, sir. And we prefer the term Mobilicules, sir.
But structural stability is about more than that. It's about the thickener supporting and holding onto the additives and oil so that the grease retains its structure and lubricating abilities even under enormous pressure. Thank you, Dennis. But it's also vital for grease to maintain its pumpability.
Yeah, what does that even mean?
Well, imagine the Grease Matrix is a popular boy band.
Cool.
You've got your oil, your thickener, and your additive. Now, when pressure is applied, you expect oil to be released temporarily to pursue solo projects, as long as he rejoins the band later. But if oil quits entirely because of the pressure,
I can't take this anymore. I'm out of here.
then you've got problems.
No, oil can't quit the Grease Matrix. I love that band, man. They gotta, stick together.
Okay, but as long as the grease doesn't become immovable.
No way, man. We refuse to work with the dispensing equipment.
Likewise, if you lose oil unexpectedly because of extremely high temperatures.
I told you no more gigs in the Sahara Desert, man. It's 160 degrees out here.
So as you see, pumpability is all about getting the grease to where it needs to be and its ability to stay together. Mobil Grease. Performance that never gives up. You want customer benefits? Well, the long life of the grease helps extend re-greasing intervals, which can reduce maintenance costs and safety risks. It helps minimize grease consumption and protects equipment for extended life. But it also helps reduce equipment maintenance when using central systems operating over a wide temperature range and under pressure.